Welcome to Rajasasila Holistics. Today I am using for this weekly tarot session Rider-Waite tarot cards, Atlantis card, and I am using crystals. Crystals also give very good messages. You need to know how to interpret it. As far as the law of attraction goes this week, I think you have practiced one thing. The first one I have told that you have to be optimistic to attract the law of attraction. Second thing, you have to think what you actually need. Third thing, you have to clear the space. That also I have told you. Now the actual, we will go into the law of attraction manifestation process. In this law of attraction manifestation process, you have to think that what you have got, need that you have already got. Yes, this is so simple that if you want to manifest money, then you should think that you have already got the money. And see, it's so simple. One of your friend or someone you trust most has promised you to give some money for some of your expenses, and you trust him that he is a person or she is a person if she gives a word, and it is. So in that case, when you have a financial crunch or something, that person promises you that I am giving you this money, so be without fear, that take care of all other works, I am there to support you. In that case, how much trust you put on that person, and you think that I was waiting for the money and I have got it. The only thing is, he said he will today get the money for me. So in that circumstances, how much trust you put? In the similar way, when you can trust a human being, why can't you trust the universe? It is given in the scriptures. You ask, it will be given. You knock, it will be opened. The similar way, the universe is ready to give you. It's up to you to take up it. Just have to believe it, that I am going to ask with full intention and I am going to get it. So with that confidence, whatever you want to manifest, just first you think that you have already got it and you will get it. This process of mind changing, of processing your mind, or little homework you do. So this week you do this. By next week I will tell you actually what you need to actually put on the words, how you put the words and how you manifest it. So let's quickly go into the session. So first I would like to tell you that I am a tarot reader, numerologist, Reiki master, healer and life coach. You can approach me for any personal problems of yours. I am also a golden Reiki healer. Golden healing is a highest range of healing which is new to people, but it is the zenith of healing. And also I am a member of 144 Golden Grid Conscious member. So golden healing becomes the highest range of healing, which helps to overcome with intentional healing. So rather than any symbols or any type of healing, I do intentional healing for quick remedies and all. So you can anytime contact me. So we will go into the session. Let's check the energies for Geminis this week. If you have not subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe. You can follow us on Twitter and Instagram. The link is given in the description box. For health this week, 6 of Pentacles, career, finance, the Lovers, relationship, Ace of Cups. And this week I am taking Atlantis card, nourishment, and I am taking a crystal charm, jade. So Six of Pentacles in a health context, when it comes, we can say that you need to give your health a priority. That's what this card says. You need to give you should prioritize your health, you should take care of it, you should balance your mind and body, you should eat well, you should balance your sleep and food, you should balance your lifestyle and exercise, you should balance your diet and exercise, you should balance your food and mind. So that's what it's a balance between two things, where your food and your lifestyle, your thinking and your food. So you have to balance it to get a balanced life. That's what. And you have to prioritize yourself, and you should pay some type of, don't overburden your body by giving lot of stress. You should give it rest, you should give it good food, you should give it a good sleep, you should give it you should de-stress it. That's what this card says. We can give 60% positivity. And in career context, you have got Lovers. It's a very good thing for those who are in partnership business or family business. It will thrive very well. Very good fruits for your effort you can get. You can get unexpected returns in your business. And if you are looking for any job, this is the right time that you get a job of your choice, how you loved from lot of time, you dreamed about a dream job getting. That also is possible this time. So enjoy, guys. You get 90% positivity. And relationship, Ace of Cups, new things are coming, new renewal of new revival of love is there. Or if you are single, there is chances or somebody new coming in your life and your life blooms up. So this is the card of love, happiness, renewal of love, revival of love, something new coming in, a new passionate spark coming in your life. So all these things are indicated in your love life, 90% positivity. And in the Atlantis card, you have got nourishment. It says pure, simple, fresh, locally grown produce is the most effective in enhancing your cosmic energy. So what it means, it doesn't mean that you have to get all these fresh, locally grown produce and eat it. That's not the card. That's not this card says. It says keep your mind pure from all negativity, nourish your mind, nourish your body, nourish your soul, so that you can get all good things in your life. That's what this card says. And this jade, we have got a Ulu in jade. This jade Ulu says it's a divine blessings from the angelic realm. From this jade Ulu is from Kuan Yin, who is the goddess of healing. So good healing is there in your life. The healing of your mind, healing of your body, and healing of your soul has already taken place. It is giving you an indication. It is a perfectly healed thing. Your life is in a perfectly healed state. So enjoy, guys. If you like our channel, kindly like, share and subscribe.